It's time. In just a few weeks, we're going to see a start of a delayed tax season on February 12th. And much like 2020 itself, the tax filings for last year are coming with big changes. Hi, I'm Patrick Nolan.
And I'm Jane Monreal. Fox 4's Rochelle Aline sat down with a tax preparer to get you ready for what's ahead.
A lot of people don't know my name. They just call me the tax lady.
This tax lady, Victoria Graham, has been helping folks stay on track with the IRS for 30 years.
Have you ever seen a tax season like the one we're getting ready to enter into?
Oh, no.
Graham says it's also hard to imagine a new tax season when the last one never really stopped.
This is the tax season that never ended. Since last year. We are still doing taxes from 2019.
While she doesn't think that we'll see the filing deadline extended like we did last year, it's clear the IRS is still playing catch up. She says stimulus checks will likely be a major source of confusion, especially if you had a major life change last year.
Those individuals that were maybe single before and now they're married, and so their stimulus has changed. They're going to be those that didn't have children, that now have children, that didn't get a stimulus for it.
She says if you're in that boat, file as early as possible. But if you're still waiting on a stimulus check, you'll want to wait and file at or after the February start date. If you file early and claim you didn't get it, and then get your stimulus check while waiting for your return,
they're going to end up with a liability. So now they're going to owe the government.
And you'll have to pay it back. What about if you started working from home and bought office supplies? Can you write them off? Well, Graham says the short answer is no, unless you work for yourself.
There has not been any real discussion as far as, okay, now I'm working from home, because technically you are still an employee.
Then there's the matter of unemployment. If you lost your job last year, you may still get a refund.
They are able to take a look back to 2019, and they'll ask you on your return, did you make more money last year than you did? You earn more money in 2019 than you did in 2020.
But Graham says you'll need to make sure you have your 1099 to show proof of any unemployment benefits you got. And above all else, she offers this advice to everyone.
The biggest thing, be patient. We'll get through this. Everyone is going through it. You're not alone.
And Graham also says this is a year to pick your tax preparer especially carefully. She says after a year where so many have been struggling financially, there's a higher chance that people will be taken advantage of. We also want to hear from you. What other questions do you have when it comes to the upcoming tax season? You can head to the Fox 4 Facebook page and let us know. In Cape Coral, Rochelle Aline, Fox 4.